The Boy Who Cried Wolf. There lived a shepherd boy in a village near a pasture. He collected sheep and goats belonging to the villagers and took them to the pasture to graze. This went on for quite a long time. All the villagers were well satisfied with the boy as he tended the flock carefully. Now, everyone trusted for the boy. By now, he had grown up into a fine lad. One fine morning, when he was busy looking after the animals, it came to his mind to make fun of the villagers. So he climbed up the top of a mound nearby and cried aloud, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers rushed to the pasture to save the boy and the flock. They came armed with sticks. When they saw the boy, they asked him where the wolf was. The boy began to laugh. Everyone was angry with the silly boy and went back grumbling. One day, the boy again did the same mischief, and the people of the village were highly displeased with him. They went back to the village, but this time they were so unhappy that they decided not to trust him in future. After some time, a wolf did come. The boy cried "Wolf" many times at the top of his voice. The villagers did hear his cries, but they thought he was again joking. No one came to his help. The wolf not only killed some sheep and goats, but also the boy. Moral: once a liar, always a liar.